Viewpager is a predefined class of Android. Viewpager is used to design or to display horizontally swipeable pages or horizontally scrollable items, just like a gallery. But Viewpager is efficient and more elegant and stylish when compared to gallery. So preferably wherever you want a gallery, go for Viewpager. As you know, gallery is deprecated. Viewpager looks like a book, just like how you read books by swiping pages. Similarly, if you want such kind of experience in your application, where user can horizontally swipe the elements or pages, just like a book, go for Viewpager. Viewpager pictorially can be represented like this. Let us say this is your activity and I want to display n number of images in the pages format. Let us say this is previous page, this is current page, where you are seeing one image like this, and this is next image or next page, which user can swipe horizontally either towards left side or towards right side to see more number of pages or elements. Remember, most of the times the width of each page is almost equivalent to match parent, and the height of each page is also match parent. But it is not mandatory that each page should occupy the complete parent's width and height. Sometimes if you observe some e-commerce applications where you can purchase goods like Amazon application or Flipkart application, which looks like this. Here in this activity, they have used 3 view pages. This is Viewpager 1, which is displaying horizontally swipeable kids section elements. This is Viewpager 2, which contains horizontally swipeable elements of ladies section elements, and so on so. So here in this case, each page is occupying parent's width and height, but here in this case, you can restrict how much each page can occupy, the width and the height. Both are possible. It purely depends on your requirement. Let me tell you one more important application which uses Viewpager heavily. Have you ever observed home screen application? Home screen application will look like this with some indicators. So in this case, my home screen activity or home screen application currently is at page number 3. So let us say this is page 3 with some widgets where user can swipe left side to see the next page. Even home screen application heavily uses Viewpager to display different home screen pages with different widgets. You can also observe this Viewpager with these indicators. Whenever you download any application, they will give brief introduction about that application with automatically swipeable pages. When you first time install any application, first they will display probably 4 or 5 pages which will be automatically scrolled based on a timer. For example, every 5 seconds they will display second page. After 5 seconds they will display third page. After 5 seconds they will display fourth page, and so on. Even in some e-commerce applications also, they will put offers here with some indicators which will be automatically scrolled. User don't have to scroll left side and right side. These type of view pages also you can design by using timers which will get swiped automatically after some duration. In fact, you can observe Viewpager concept in WhatsApp application and contacts application also. If you open WhatsApp application, as on 2016 you can observe the home screen contains 3 pages where you can swipe 3 times. Again, each page will contain vertically scrollable list of elements. First page will contain incoming calls and outgoing calls. Second page will contain all WhatsApp messages, and the third page will contain the contact information of your friends. So I hope you understood what is Viewpager. Next adapter view is gridview. Gridview is a predefined class of Android. Gridview can be used to design and display vertically scrollable grids or cells, and it looks like a table structure which you can observe here. The table structure with a lot of grids or with a lot of cells which is vertically scrollable. Remember, you can control total how many number of columns you want to display, but rows will grow dynamically based on the content size. If you are having more number of rows which is going beyond the physical range of your display, automatically vertical scroll bar will be displayed. For all these adapter views, scroll bar will come automatically. So you don't have to put a scroll bar explicitly in the XML file. Remember, grid view is also an adapter view. You can also display vertically scrollable grids and cells by using a layout called as table layout. So this is one more option which you have to display vertically scrollable grids or cells. The main difference between table layout and grid view is that table layout is not an adapter view, whereas grid view is an adapter view. That means if you are using a table layout, in that case you don't have to use any adapter, whereas if you are using grid view, it is mandatory to use an adapter. Most of the times grid view can be used to display list of images which are vertically scrollable. For example, if you open gallery application in your phone, you can observe gallery application will contain all the images taken by camera which looks like this. Let us say I have taken so many pictures by using camera, so that camera images will look like this. So and so. If more number of elements are there, then automatically vertical scroll view will come. Not only that, you can control total how many number of columns you want to display in this grid view. I hope you understood what is a grid view. Next adapter view is expandable list view. Expandable list view is a predefined class of Android which is used to display two levels of list views. That is list view within a list view. Remember, maximum you can have only two levels of vertically scrollable list views. More than that is not possible. Pictorially, expandable list view can be represented like this. Here in this picture, you can observe there are two levels of list view. One is the outer list view which contains item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5 and so on, which are vertically scrollable. So this is outer list view. Again, when user clicks on item 3 or maybe item 2, that item will expand and you can observe. Previously it was showing a down caret symbol. This is called as down caret symbol, CARROT symbol. And whenever user selects any item, automatically that sub elements of that item will be expanded. In place of down caret symbol, system will display up caret symbol automatically. Again, let us say within item 3, I have so many number of sub items which are again vertically scrollable one more time. That means within each item there is one more list view. So this is called as list view within a list view. This is possible. You can design such kind of screen. This is possible by using expandable list view class. Though it is a rare case. Can you tell me some application examples which will use expandable list views? One example can be dictionary application where all words related to A, all words starting with A will be in the first item, all words starting with B will be in the second item and so on. So again, when user clicks B item, B will be expanded with all the list of words starting with B. So dictionary application will use expandable list view. Not only that, have you ever observed questions and answers application where you will see lot of topics, Java topic, Android topic, C topics, which are vertically scrollable list of elements. Again, when I click Java section, again it will display a lot of questions and answers which are again vertically scrollable. I hope you understood what is expandable list view. Recycler view is also a predefined class of Android. This new class is introduced in Android 5.0 version, that is Lollipop. Recycler view can be considered as advanced version of list view because it is efficient and faster than list view. Whatever you can do with list view, you can do with recycler view in an efficient way. Not only that, the most important point about recycler view is you can use recycler view to design either list view or to design gallery or grid view or staggered grid view. Though it is considered as advanced version of list view, remember using list view, you can display only vertically scrollable list of elements. Whereas by using recycler view, you can arrange elements in the vertically scrollable fashion like a list view, or you can arrange elements in the horizontally scrollable fashion like gallery and viewpager. Similarly, you can arrange elements in the vertically scrollable grid fashion like a grid view or like a staggered grid view. The main difference between grid view and staggered grid view is in grid view, each cell will have same width and same height. Whereas in the staggered grid view, Different grids may have different width and different height. Observe first element height and second element height. They are different. This is called as staggered grid view. So that means recycler view is very powerful when compared to list view. So this is a look and feel of different adapter views, which we will be discussing in our ongoing sessions. First, anyway, we will start with the list view, and then we will see different examples for other adapter views.